Player of the week update. Now, your first keep is really important. If your first keep at the first second gives you the middle, fifth or sixth featured player out of 11 players, then inside your second keep at the middle hexagon, you would either get the first player or the last player inside the 11 players pack. But if you do get the last player, then in your third keep at the last few seconds of the animation, you'd either get the first or second player inside the 11 players pack. Well, this probably doesn't make any sense at all. It sounds like crap, but let's put this crap into action and let's see if it works. So we're gonna claim them match day rewards. We've gotten 200 match day rewards, and we're gonna claim them this time around. We ain't gonna pack any iconic moments. We're just gonna use those 200 coins for featured players of the week. Now, the most important thing to note is the first player which we get inside the pack. So we're gonna head into the pack, and inside the first second we're gonna take a careful note at the player we get. So we've gotten Ronaldo, we've gotten Morata, there is Thomas Partey, Osimhen, and Ferran Torres, Gravenberch, Harit, Matip, Jiku, and I think Kalulu. Alright, so those are the players inside this pack. Well, that's Rajkovic, 88 Serbian keeper, but no one wants a goalkeeper. Well, I hope I don't get him. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skip at the first second, and boom, our target, our Gravenberch from Ajax. That's fantastic. Well, maybe in your first second you won't get Gravenberch, but you would get a different player. But the theory still holds. Now, since we got a Gravenberch, this implies that if we skip a few seconds after Gravenberch, we would get a player that comes after Gravenberch. So we have the goalkeeper Harit, Matip, Jiku, and Kalulu. Those are the players we could possibly get if we skip a few seconds after Gravenberch. Let's see if this theory is true. So we're gonna skip close to the hexagon, like some few tiny milliseconds close to the hexagon. So boom, skip, and down we got a Ratkovic. Actually, the one person I didn't want inside the pack, but it proves that we are right. We got someone after Gravenberch, that's the goalkeeper, and is within the last set of players inside this pack. So we did say earlier on that if we did get someone within the last set of players, then skipping at the last few seconds should give us someone in the first set of players. So we're gonna delay, and boom, we got a Ferran Torres, and Ferran Torres is actually ahead of Gravenberch inside the pack. So as I've said earlier on, and I'll repeat again, what really matters is whom you get on your first attempt. We got a Gravenberch, but if we had gotten a Ronaldo, then the hexagon would give us someone in the middle set, and skipping at the last few seconds would give us someone in the last set of players. While Gravenberch goes all the way up to 100 rating, he's got some really decent stats. He's also an anchor man, so it would be really interesting to see how he performs actually inside the game. And let me know what you guys also get inside the comment section. I'm gonna see you boys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.